Welcome to this exceptional 78 more or less acre property in St. Croix County, Wisconsin, just 13 miles outside of Baldwin. Whether you're looking for the perfect hunting retreat, recreational paradise, or a stunning place to build your dream home, this property offers it all. Bordering Hutton Creek, this land provides a natural travel corridor for wildlife, making it a prime location for whitetail deer, turkeys, and upland birds. With rolling topography, mature oak timber, and well-established bedding areas, this is truly a hunter's dream. Previously enrolled in the CRP Pine program, the recent tree harvest has created new opportunities for land use. This property is perfectly suited for those looking to build a home, a weekend getaway, or even a hunting cabin. Conveniently located with paved road frontage and additional entry through public land on the south end, accessing this property is easy and hassle-free. With breathtaking views, abundant wildlife, and endless potential, this property is a rare opportunity to own your own piece of Wisconsin's great outdoors. For more information or to schedule a private tour, contact Trevor Glomsky at 651-380-0821 or Trevor at highpointlandcompany.com.